Hi everyone, in today's video I show you how to customize the now bar or how to remove it. 3 tips on how to use the bar now. Swipe up to move to the desired bar. Long press the now bar to open more options. And tap the now bar to open the expanded view. Now I'm going to show you how to remove applications from now bar. In Settings menu, go to Lock Screen and AOD. Tap on Now Bar. Tap the switches for the apps you want to remove from the Now Bar. And finally, if you want to remove the Now Bar, in the Settings menu, go to Lock Screen and AOD, tap on Always Display On, and tap to disable Show Now Bar. Thanks for watching. If it was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe, it would help me a lot.